n8n just dropped a new feature which allows you to build a full AI team all within the same workflow. This basically turns n8n into a no-code crew AI clone. No need for separate workflows anymore. In this video I'm going to show you how to set it up in under 2 minutes. It's going to be real easy. Let's go. Alright, so first off, inside of n8n create a new workflow and make sure it's a blank canvas and click on add first new step. Then type AI agent. This is the new function. And make sure that it's set up to be when chat message received. As usual with AI models, connect your chat model. I'm just going to use Google Gemini, but you can use whatever method you like. Okay, so here comes the interesting part. The AI agent that we just added serves as the manager, and we're going to add 2 more AI agent tools which are going to serve as secondary assistants. In my case, it's going to be a researcher and a translator. The way to add these will be with the plus button here and by typing AI agent tool. Big difference between this one and this one. Click on it and describe what you want it to be. Rename it to researcher and make sure that it has a fitting description, such as summarize the 3 articles that are provided to you. Make sure you also click on let the model define this parameter. Now I'm going to do the same thing for the translator, but it's a very easy concept. Just click on it again. Alright, so I did the same for my translator. I'm going to translate everything into Dutch, and this is predefined as well. So now that these 2 are created, you'll have to connect them by dragging and dropping both of them like this, and also connecting a chat model. In my case it's going to be Gemini again. If you want the context to carry over, you can add memory, but since I'm only running a one and done prompt, I will not use the memory. Now for the most important part, for the manager, make sure you click on define below and add what exactly the prompt should do. In my case it's going to be this. Your job is to manage this task by using your connected tools. Send the researcher agent this job. Find 3 trending AI news articles on JSON chat input, and that's going to be this tab from when chat message received. So that's going to be the topic. And summarize each in 3 sentences. Send the translator agent the job, translate those summaries into Dutch. Combine the translated summaries into a single final response. Now what we've basically done is we've split up the workload to make sure that the researcher and the translator both do their jobs correctly respectively. So once we run this, we will get an output that combines these 2. So let's mention healthcare and let's see what it comes up with. Alright, so this is the final summary. I read it and it's clear and concise. Obviously I used a pretty simple workflow, but you can imagine that in more complex workflows this will be really useful, especially since you're giving every single task its own model. Well, this was it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please subscribe and like, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye!